Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but is very, very real. Building your own online cash factory and the power of AI. Imagine waking up to find you've made money while you were sleeping. That's not a dream anymore. It's the reality of automated income. And I'm here to show you exactly how you can get started. We're going to break down the strategies, the tools, and the mindset you need to turn artificial intelligence into your personal, 24/7 income-generating machine. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's build your financial future together. First things first, what does automating your income with AI even mean? It's not about robots physically printing money. It's about using smart AI tools to create and manage digital assets that generate revenue for you with minimal ongoing effort. Think of it like this. You do the initial setup, you create the system, and then AI takes over the heavy lifting, running the business operations for you. This could be anything from a blog that writes its own articles to a YouTube channel that produces its own content, or an e-commerce store where AI manages everything from product descriptions to customer service. The goal is to decouple your time from your income. Instead of trading hours for dollars, you're building systems that earn for you around the clock. So, where do we start? The most accessible and powerful way to begin is with content creation. Content is king, and with AI, you can become a content monarch. Let's move on to another massive opportunity, YouTube automation, or as some call them, faceless YouTube channels. You don't need to be on camera to be a successful YouTuber. You can use incredibly realistic AI voice generators like Eleven Labs or Murph AI. You can choose from hundreds of voices and styles until you find one that fits your channel's brand. Step 4. The visuals. This is where tools like Pictory or InVideo come in. These platforms use AI to automatically find relevant stock footage, images, and animations that match your script. They'll sync the visuals with the voiceover, add captions, and even background music. You can create a professional-looking 10-minute video in under an hour. Once you upload it to YouTube and optimize your title, description, and tags, it starts attracting viewers. As your channel grows, you earn money from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links in your description. You're essentially the director of your own media company, with AI as your entire production crew. Here's the model. You create designs, and a third-party company prints, packages, and ships the products for you whenever an order comes in. You never have to touch a single t-shirt or mug. So, where does AI fit in? First, design creation. Use AI image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E 2. You can give them a prompt like a cool, retro-style illustration of an astronaut surfing on a pizza slice in space, and it will generate unique, eye-catching designs for you in seconds. You can then upload these designs to a print-on-demand platform like Printify or Teespring. Next, AI can write your product titles and descriptions. Give an AI writer the details of your design, and it will craft persuasive copy designed to convert visitors into buyers. You can even use AI-powered chatbots on your website to handle customer service queries 24/7, answering common questions about shipping or sizing. Your AI-powered store can literally make sales and support customers while you're on vacation. Now, a common question I get is this ethical? Am I just cheating the system? It's a valid concern. The way I see it, AI is a tool, just like a calculator or a word processor. A calculator doesn't do your math homework for you. It just helps you do it faster. The most successful people using these strategies aren't just hitting generate and walking away. They are the creative directors. They are the editors. They are the strategists who guide the AI to produce something of real value. The human element of curation, refinement, and providing genuine insight is what makes this work. If you use AI to create low-quality, spammy content, you won't succeed. But if you use it as a powerful assistant to scale your unique vision and create valuable content for an audience, you're not cheating. You're just working smarter. The goal is to provide value, and AI is simply the most efficient tool we have right now to deliver that value at scale. So, let's recap the core concept of your AI Cache Factory. It's built on 3 pillars. Pillar 1 is content generation. This is using AI to create the raw material, the blog posts, the video scripts, the product designs. Pillar 2 is automation and management. This involves using tools to automatically schedule your posts, manage customer interactions, and handle the operational side of your business. Your goal for the first month should be to simply learn the tools and produce your first 1 or 2 videos. Don't obsess over perfection. Your first video will probably not be your best, and that's okay. The key is to get started, to learn the process, and to build momentum. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is far more important than intensity. Building an automated income stream with AI is one of the most exciting opportunities available to us today. It democratizes entrepreneurship, allowing anyone with a creative idea and a willingness to learn to build something that can generate income for them for years to come. It's about creating freedom, the freedom to work on what you love, the freedom to travel, or the freedom to spend more time with your family. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires initial effort, learning, and strategy. But the work you put in upfront has the potential to pay dividends for a very long time. The technology is here, it's accessible, and it's only getting better. The only question is, are you ready to use it? Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope this has opened your eyes to the incredible possibilities of AI-powered income. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And for more deep dives into building your online empire, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. I want to hear from you in the comments below. Which AI business idea are you most excited to try first? Let's get the conversation started. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.